Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Bitcoin wallet on Bybit. Accessing your digital assets is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. We'll cover logging in, finding your wallet, and understanding the basic functions. Bybit provides a secure platform for managing your Bitcoin, ensuring your funds are protected with robust security measures. Let's dive in and make managing your cryptocurrency simple and efficient. Once you've successfully logged into your Bybit account, finding your Bitcoin wallet is very easy. Look for the Assets tab, usually located in the top right corner or within your profile menu. Clicking on this will take you to your asset overview. Here, you'll see a list of all your cryptocurrencies, and your Bitcoin wallet will be prominently displayed, showing your current balance and options. To deposit Bitcoin into your Bybit wallet, simply click the deposit button associated with your Bitcoin asset. This action will generate a unique Bitcoin wallet address, which acts like your bank account number for crypto. You'll also see a QR code for easy scanning. Carefully copy this address or scan the QR code, then paste it into your external wallet or exchange to initiate the transfer. Always double-check the address before confirming. Protecting your Bitcoin is paramount. Bybit offers several robust security features. I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, for an additional layer of protection. Always use a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly checking your transaction history helps you stay informed about all movements in your wallet. These simple steps significantly enhance the security of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.